If your Telegram chat is getting cluttered and you want to remove the conversation history fast, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to clear a chat on Telegram step by step, and I'll also explain the difference between clearing the history for just you and deleting it for everyone in the chat if that option is available. This is a quick and easy fix whether you want to clean up your messages, remove old conversations, or simply start fresh. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the chat that you want to clear. It can be a private chat, group chat, or any conversation you no longer want in your history. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon. This opens the chat options menu. On some devices, you may need to tap the contact name or chat header first, but the three-dot menu is usually where the clearing options are located. After the menu appears, look for the option that says Clear History. Tap on that, and Telegram will bring up a confirmation screen. This part is important because Telegram may give you a choice depending on the type of chat. In some cases, you'll see an option to remove the chat from your side only, and in other cases, you may also be able to remove it for the other person or other members, depending on the chat settings and permissions. If you want the chat cleared only on your device, choose the option that keeps it removed just for you. If you want to delete the messages for everyone and Telegram allows it, select the option to remove it from others as well. Take a moment to review this carefully before confirming, because once you clear or delete the history, it can be difficult or impossible to get those messages back. When you're ready, tap clear or delete to finish the process. Telegram will then remove the chat history based on the option you selected. And that's it. Your chat is now cleared. It's a simple process, but it's very useful if you want to keep your Telegram organized and reduce clutter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram tips, app tutorials, and everyday tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.